Hello everyone, my name is Danisha and you're tuning in to Natural Danisha, the channel for Natural Lisa. Today I'm going to show you how to do a twist out. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure to push the notification bell with the squiggly line to be notified every time I post. Now let's get into the video. 3, 2, 1. It's been a good day, now it's time for us to celebrate. My hair is freshly washed and detangled and put into 5 sections. I'm using 100% Shea Nut Butter. Rub it through your hands good and rub it in your hair real good too. And some Eden Body Works Curl Defining Cream. Do the same thing as before. Detangle some more with a brush. Then finger detangle. Begin twisting your hair clockwise. Twist firmly and tightly at the root. An important tip is to twirl your ends around your finger. Repeat this process on medium-large sections of your hair. Twirl them, twirl them, twirl them.
Ryan Little. Ryan Little.
We're finished with that. Now we're gonna put QP Elasta designer foam on my hair to make sure it all lays down. Edges too. Finished with that, and now we're gonna come back 2 days later. Put shea butter on your hands to lower friction while you're taking your twist down. Untwist all of the twists.
Ryan Little.
Then each part that you just untwisted, you go back around and you separate those into 2 more sections, depending on how naturally they come apart on their own. Twirl the hair to give back some of the definition. Continue this until you get it the way you want it.
Ryan Little.
Now begin combing your roots and pulling your hair from the root of your head. This works better with a wide tooth comb or a pick. It can work with a rat tail comb too. I'm doing the last finishing touches.
Ryan Little.
Fluff it some, and we're finished. This is more of a chunky twist out. I would definitely be trying this again, but making the twist a little bit smaller. See you later, naturalistas.